Somewhere in the world right now, there's a person whose blood is so rare, doctors call it golden. It's not a myth, not science fiction, it's real. Only around 50 people on Earth have it. This is the story of the world's rarest blood group, Rh-null, the golden blood. Let's first understand your blood types. Before we dive into why it's so rare, let's quickly understand what makes your blood your blood. Most of us know about A, B, AB, and O blood types, that's part of the ABO system. But behind the scenes, there's a much bigger and more complex system, the Rh system, which includes more than 60 different antigens. One of them, the D antigen, decides if you're positive or negative. So, if you're a positive you have the A antigen and the Rhd antigen. If you're a negative you lack the D antigen. Simple, right? Now imagine a blood type that lacks every single Rh antigen. That's where the magic and mystery begins. The birth of golden blood. In 1961, scientists made a discovery that stunned the medical world. A woman from an indigenous Australian community was found to have no Rh antigens at all, not one. Her blood didn't fit into any known category. It was Rh-null, a genetic miracle. Since that day, fewer than 50 people have been identified with the same blood type. For doctors and scientists, this was like discovering a biological diamond, rare, pure, and incredibly valuable. You might think having such rare blood makes you special, and it does, but it's also terrifying. Because Rh-null blood is so unique, finding a matching donor is nearly impossible. If someone with Rh-null blood needs a transfusion, they can only receive blood from another Rh-null person. With just a handful of donors worldwide, even a minor accident can become life-threatening. That's why these individuals are often asked to donate and freeze their own blood, to save their own life one day. And yet, their blood can save many others, especially patients with rare Rh variations. It's both a gift to the world, and a burden to carry. A question might arise in your mind. Why it's called golden blood? Scientists call it golden blood, not for its color, but for its value. This blood helps researchers understand the Rh system, develop safer transfusion methods, and even explore artificial blood creation. It's a priceless resource in genetic and immunological studies, something money simply can't buy. In medicine, this blood is literally as precious as gold. So, the next time you hear someone say, "Every drop of blood counts," remember. For a few people out there, every drop truly could change the world. The Rh-null blood group reminds us how beautifully complex the human body is. And how one rare genetic code can hold the key to saving countless lives. If you found this story fascinating, hit like, subscribe, and share it, because knowledge, just like blood, is meant to circulate.